off because I trusted you. I trusted you with parts of me I never let anyone touch. And you treated that shit like it was nothing. You didn't trip and hurt me by accident. You knew exactly what you were doing. You just didn't think I'd ever stop loving you enough to leave. I begged for bare minimum shit, honesty, effort, respect, and you looked me in my face and still chose to half-ass everything. You watched me get tired, watched me get angry, watched me stop talking, and instead of fixing it, you let me fucking drown. Don't sit there acting confused now. I told you when it hurt. I told you when I was breaking. You just didn't give a fuck. What really breaks me is knowing I would have fought hell for you while you couldn't even fight your own bullshit for me. You didn't lose me because I stopped caring. You lost me because I finally got tired of loving someone who kept fucking me over. And one day you'll feel this shit hit you all at once. But by then I won't be angry anymore. I'll be gone. And that's on you.